Hello guys, this is a piece of paper. Kumusta na guys? Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng spaceship ni Shader. May content. Okay. Pinuto ko lang ng kalendaryo. Gagawin kong spaceship ni Shader. Tutorial. Okay guys. So guys, ito. Tutupin nyo sa gitna. Fold in half. And then make it. Tapos itupin nyo dito. Parang gumagawa ng aeroplano. Ayan guys. Gawin yung ganyan. Magkabila. Kabilaan guys. Okay. Tapos hawakan yung sa gitna. Tapos ganyan yun. Tutupin nyo. Ganyan guys. Ayan muna. Ulitin natin. Ito guys. Yun. Yun guys. Gagawin din dito sa kabila. Gagawin yung kabilaan. So guys, ito ang ayun guys, gagawin yung ganyan. Tapos kapag nagawa na ninyo, yung parang arrow sa magkabilang dulo. Tapos make an arrow both sides. And then isa sa mga ito, tutupin nyo. This one. Tutupin yung ganyan. You're gonna fold it like this. And the other one, like this. Both sides. I'm gonna come up like this. So we're gonna look like this. Magiging ganito guys. Tapos tutupin nyo to ganyan. No? Yan. No, ilagay mo guys. Tupi. Fold it in half. Like this. 2 arrow. Fold this one. It's like a make a tie or necktie. You just have to pull the arrow in, parang ganito, just like this. Then pull this one. Like this guys. Okay, so 2 arrow, fold it, and yung tinapin yung ito, papasok nyo dito side by side. We're gonna put here just like this. Like that. Easy. Okay, then straight. And now you have a spaceship. Go like this. The Philippines, we call it spaceship ni Shaida. So just like that, guys. I hope you got it. Sana nakuha ninyo. Yun lang, guys. Easy lang paggawa ng spaceship ni Shaida. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.